everybody. Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library. How are you all? Good. How was the last craft? Excellent. I haven't seen any, so remember, bring them in and show us or send us in pictures, okay? Okay, deal. Awesome. Well, this one is another super fun one, and I know I say that every time, but that's because they all are. Okay, so let's get started. This one is secret notes. Yes, anything secret is fun, right? No, we shouldn't keep secrets. But these are good secret notes. These are super cute ones, and they're little notes that you can leave around for friends or for family, and maybe you can just leave them around for whoever. For people to find and just put a smile on their face. So let's show you how to make these. Okay, secret notes. You're gonna have two different kinds that you can choose from. You have these, and if you choose these, you can just cut each one of these out as you write on it, okay? So you can make these kind of notes, or you can just make a special little secret note in a little heart. So what you need is these, which will be in your kit. So this is what's going to be in your kit. What you need from home are some markers to put with your notes, because this is what is going to reveal the secret, and a white crayon and scissors, okay? The white crayon is going to be the secret. This is how you're going to write your secret onto your note. So I'm going to use a heart, and I'm just going to write a little secret on the heart, okay? Let's see. I'm gonna write it. You cannot see what I wrote. It is a secret. So on one of these hearts, you have no idea which one, I wrote something. Can you tell? No, because I used white crayon on white paper. Interesting. What you're going to do is you're just going to cut out the heart or the card that you wrote on, okay? So I'm going to cut this one because this is the one I wrote on. Now you guys know. And then maybe just leave your note lying around somewhere where you think somebody will see it. I'm going to leave my note here, and I'm going to leave a marker. I'm going to actually leave, the darker the color, the better that your crayon will show up. Just so, you could use any color, but just so you know. But I'm going to choose this color and see. So you just leave your note and maybe leave a marker with it and see what happens. So then, la la la, somebody comes walking by and, oh, look, there's a little heart here. I'm going to color it in. Let's see. So then they color, and by coloring, it's revealing something. Wait, what? Somebody wrote on this. And there is your secret message revealed to the person that you left it for. Ta-da! Can you see it? Isn't that so cool? So before you saw nothing, colored it with marker, and the message is revealed. I think these are so cute. You can write anything in those. And the same with these. You can just write, it says, I love you, I love how you, and you can write something. And then you just leave this for the person and leave them a marker to color it in, and it'll reveal what you wrote. Super easy, super fun. It's almost like detective work. You guys can be detectives, right? Yes. All right, easy to do. Have fun doing this, guys. Leave your little notes everywhere. Do it to make people smile. That's all we want to do. Just make somebody smile. If you make somebody smile today, your day is done. I'll see you guys later.